Now that you've got your posts and your content and your products and all these things done, you need to worry about how can people actually see these things. So if you go into Appearance and go into Menus, this is where you're going to first start. And when you decide to create a new menu, let's just do that real quick. We'll just call it New Menu 1. This is where you want to put a lot of your menu items. Now you get a lot of choices. We have product categories, product tags, regular categories. We can do custom links. We can do the different products, forums, posts, and pages. So say I wanted to take all of my my reading list, every post that I've ever made and categorized as a reading list, I can add that to the menu. So that's my first one. I could also go in and say, oh, I want to add some posts, and I want to add a couple pages. So this menu is made up of pages, posts, and categories. I can also say, hey, I want anything that has a tag of information technology, and I want to bring that and make it as part of the drop down for shop. Okay, and then where do I want to put this? I can put it in the menu settings. I can just say I want this to be the primary menu, or I want it to be a footer menu. I want it to be a 404 menu is if you ever get a 404 error, what shows up in the actual menu for that. And then you have the social menu and the quick links menu. So what you would do is after you save the menu, you would go into Widgets and decide where the menus are. So the footer menu, here's the Education Hub social menu, and I attach to it that social menu for Education Hub. Let me go back and show you what that is. So if you go into menus and go into manage locations, this is the social hub theme. That's what I'm using, is that theme. And here's the social menu, or sorry, the Education Hub theme. And here's the social menu. And I attached the menu social to the social menu. So in this theme, I made a menu called social. I attached it to where the social menu should be within that theme. So this theme supports 5 menus. If I go into Widgets, over here on the left-hand side, this is where you see the education theme menus. So if we look at this footer, that's where that menu is going to be attached. Okay, so let's look and see. There's a tag cloud here, and there's some custom menus here. Okay, so you just bring the widgets over into the widget area, and that's how it shows up onto the actual WordPress site.